how to use DSERS with Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is create a Shopify account and a DSERS account. After that, open DSERS and click on Get Started. Then enter your email and password and click Get Started again. Over here, you will see the platforms available. Click on Shopify and then click Install. After that, it will take you to the Shopify App Store. Then click on Install and confirm it. After that, choose the free plan to get started. Then you'll see the option to connect your supplier. Over here, click on AliExpress and sign into your account. Then you'll be redirected to your DSERS dashboard. Over here, click on Product Research to browse trending products. After that, you can use filters and categories to narrow down your search. Then you can also go to the Find Product section and search for any product using a keyword. Over here, once you find the product, click on Add to Import List. Then choose your language and click Confirm. After that, go to the Import List from the left panel. Over here, you can edit the product title, weight, length, image, and variants. Then set your price, shipping method, and update the description. After that, click Push to Store. Click Push to Store. Then you'll see the product listed in your Shopify store. Click Products and then Preview to see the product details. Over here, DSERS will automatically update images based on selected variants. Then you can also enable options like automatic inventory update, price update, and connect the Looks app to import reviews. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.